Very strong winds today, well, for us anyway, and I thought it was quite peaceful. I did see some frequencies earlier, but look at that. That's on a rope chemtrail. Tracking who's done it. Man, it's pretty recent looking at that. If you go this side, can't really see much else. That's about as far as I can go on it. But that's about the newest part of the trail, I'd say. Back there. See how it's breaking off? It looks like it's in the opposite direction to the wind. The wind's obviously going right to left, and that looks like it's going left to right. Messy. Anyway, oh, there's the other part of it. Cleared a bit up that way now. So that's the newest part of the trail, I guess. Knots on the rope being the older part, unless of course they've just changed the mixture. I wouldn't bloody know. Not at this stage. Have a look closer at it. And if you can recognise the makeup of that. Don't see any strings in it. All the same. There we go. That's a nasty bloody scar. And it's got to be drifting this way, obviously. See, that part of it does look like it's blowing upwards, which is probably in the direction of us, and yet the other bit didn't. I guess it shows that the wind's swirling around up there, doesn't it? That's coming towards us as you go further along. It isn't. Seems to be going the opposite way. Anyway, dirty chemtrail. Well, there's a surprise. Straight across the front. You never guess who, will you? United States Air Force again. USAF Callsign, or operator code I should say. Callsign is Romeo Charlie Hotel 375, by the way. Currently at 30,000 feet. And it's a Boeing Charlie-17 Alpha Globemaster III. They're good, aren't they? I recognise the number as well, but this has done us before. 01-0196, which is Alpha Echo 10 Bravo Foxtrot. They've used that at least one other occasion that I've caught them.
There isn't a
the UK government have authorised all this crap as well. And there you go. United States Air Force, thank you.
Oh, that picture looks so ugly.
Not